3 Unity productivity shortcuts. You can do full screen with most windows by just doing Shift plus space, and that will full screen it, which is especially for things like the shader graph when you need to go in and out and you need to see a lot of information at once. Doing Shift plus space can give you a lot more real estate without needing to go and readjust your layout or something. It also works for inspectors, so you can do Shift plus space and get a full view of the whole inspector, which is nice when you've got a whole lot of information in one of your inspectors as well. Number 2. When you're working with a pretty big hierarchy in Unity, it can get annoying to deal with all these objects, but there's actually 4 keyboard shortcuts that can help you navigate. So you can do left arrow to collapse, right arrow to expand, but there's also another one. Let's just say we didn't want to work with all of these objects that are all expanded. We don't want to go in there and individually collapse each one or anything like that. There's a shortcut so we can go to the top object that we want to collapse, do Alt left arrow, and then if we were to open it up again, only the top level is expanded. So Alt left arrow lets you collapse the object as well as all child objects. Alt right arrow allows you to expand the object and all child objects. Tip number 3, Alt P lets you push your inspector to a separate window, and then that'll even work if you go and full screen game mode, so you can have it off to the side as you test.